Expedition Everest, end of the night, only 20 minutes now. That doesn't seem good.
Why is that bear just standing up straight? Does it seem normal?
Is Rusty going for a ride?
Yeah. He's gonna go see the Yeti.
I don't think he wants to. We're near the end of the night, and we get row 1. First away. Thank you. Huh? Yeah, yeah, we are right near the edge. Wow. Oh my gosh! Oh, the backwards part is so intense. Oh no! Okay, goodbye. So great. It's amazing. And Rusty made it too, without flying off. Wow. Such an excellent roller coaster. Love the whole theme. Love the entire love the entire story. It's just wonderful. This is a perfect roller coaster. I just got off of our ride on Everest, and that is a perfect roller coaster. Yeah, I love the theming,
it's great.
The story, and it gives you just enough thrills to make it all extremely exciting.
Well, and they do a really good job in the queue line of really telling that story. That way you're prepared when you get on the ride.
And you're anticipating the Yeti the whole time. Yeah, it holds up after years.
Yes.
For years now, it's held up. So
ridden it many times, and the Yeti still gets me every time we ride it.